Hello everyone. Hello to all the psychology aspirants who are watching my video. I am Navya Mishra and I'm a licensed clinical psychologist. Today I thought to share my story, uh, all the struggles which I have been through, because I have this really firm belief कि uh, अगर आपको किसी से इंस्पिरेशन लेनी है तो हमेशा उसके स्ट्रगल्स पे ध्यान दो, क्योंकि जो सक्सेस है वो तो बाद में आता है, पहले स्ट्रगल्स आते हैं। और जब हम साइकोलॉजी के फील्ड की बात करते हैं तो एकदम स्टार्टिंग में ही सबसे बड़ा स्ट्रगल आ जाता है कि पेरेंट्स को कैसे मनाएं। सो या आई कंप्लीटेड माई 12th in 2017 and I was a lost kid in my 11th and 12th. I took commerce just because I was influenced by other people. मुझे लगा नहीं नहीं मैं कॉमर्स ले लेती हूँ, मैं जल्दी सेटल हो जाऊँगी, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला। एंड बिलीव मी, आई वॉज रियली बैड एट इट। मैं अकाउंट्स और इकोनॉमिक्स में बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल से पास हुई थी। एंड yeah, and I guess after my exams I was like, after my 12th boards I was like कि बस अब हो गया, इसके बाद से मैं सिर्फ अपनी सुनूंगी, वॉट एवर आई वॉन्ट एंड वॉट एवर आई वॉन्ट टू डू। फ्रेंड्स से, रिलेटिव से या किसी से भी इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं होंगी, जो मुझे करना है वही करूँगी। एंड आई चूज साइकोलॉजी। सो सबसे बड़ा दिक्कत जो मैंने फेस करा था पेरेंट्स को मनाने के लिए, बिकॉज देवर लाइक तुम कितने साल पढ़ोगी, इसका तो कोई स्कोप भी नहीं है और नहीं नहीं हो पाएगा, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला। सो आई लिटरली बेग देम, आई क्राइड एंड देन आई वॉज लाइक ठीक है, सिर्फ ग्रेजुएशन में लेने दो साइकोलॉजी, इसके बाद आई डू MBA. So this was the deal which I did with my family, and then I got into psychology. I have done it from Banaras only. I am from Varanasi, by the way. So I did my bachelor's from there, but I guess my family in these 3 years, they saw that how much dedicated I was towards the field. So I guess उसके बाद से family ने तो कभी बोला नहीं कि कि MBA कर लेना. They were like, I guess, yeah, they started to support me. After that, I went for my master's. I have done it from Greater Noida. My master's of 2 years, it was really good. I got to do internships, and the teachers and everyone was really good. So I guess that was the time जब और ज़्यादा रियलाइजेशन हुआ कि बस यही करना है, अब यही मुझे पसंद है. एंड दिस थिंग केम when I started doing internships. So yes, I will really tell you all, just don't believe in books. Obviously वो आपका basics clear करेंगे, but if you really want to practice, you'll have to get into a lot of internships because आप उसी से सीखोगे. So yeah, after my masters, I wanted to do MPhil, but you know how difficult it is to get into MPhil. And I am a student. I am good when it comes to practical part, but I won't lie, I'm really bad when it comes to basics, when it comes to theories. It is very hard for me to remember everything, to learn everything. So I faced a lot of issues in that sense. After I prepared for a bit, and then to be honest I gave up. Okay, I was like भाई मुझसे तो नहीं होगा, MPhil मुझसे नहीं निकलेगा. And that was the time I started applying for jobs, and I got the job in one autism center. For that I got my training in Hyderabad. I went there. बहुत मज़ा आया बच्चों के साथ काम करके. मैंने इंटर्नशिप करी थी अपने ग्रेजुएशन में भी ऑटिज़म सेंटर में, बट दिस वॉज ऑब्वियसली डिफरेंट. आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग एज अ बिहेवियरल थेरेपिस्ट, एंड दैट टाइम मुझे समझ में आया. और लाइक आई डू लव वर्किंग विद अडल्ट्स एज वेल, बट विद किड्स आई फील समथिंग एल्स. सो या मैंने कुछ वक्त वहाँ पे काम किया, एंड देन अगेन आई स्टार्टेड preparing for my MPhil. After that, again I was like, I gave a lot of exams. I sat in few कुछ colleges के exams, and I failed really badly. And again I was really demotivated. I was like कि I don't think it's meant to happen. And I was like अभी वापस जॉब ही करते हैं क्योंकि ये तो मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है. I started to work again and one day I was taking a session and अचानक से a call came. And it was from Amity Gwalior. They said कि आपका हो गया है. After 2 months they called me, because at that time I thought कि मतलब अब तो यहाँ पे नहीं हो रहा है, इतना ज़्यादा समय हो चुका है. But then I got a call and that is, I guess, one of the best moment of my entire life, because I was shivering. I was like, oh, what? Like, are you serious? So yeah, that's how I got into my MPhil. After preparing, after getting rejected so many times, after losing all the hopes, I eventually got into MPhil. And those 2 years were amazing, the best time of my life, I would say, because I got to learn a lot. We used to, like, that I'll tell you in another video, like, what things happen in MPhil. But yes, the journey is quite difficult. आप रोगे बहुत से टाइम, जब आपको रिसर्च भी करनी होगी, रिपोर्ट्स भी बनानी होगी, या आप रोगे, लेकिन अगेन एट द एंड worth it. It's all going to worth it. Like, it's all going to be worth it. Yeah, I have just completed my MPhil and I'm working in a corporate setup here in Hyderabad. And yeah, I secured second position in my MPhil. Like I told you guys, in my 12th, I barely passed. I got very bad marks in accounts and economics. But now I secured second position. So this is what happens when you actually pursue what you actually want to pursue. And when I look back at my journey, I really feel it was all worth it. I'm a single kid. I don't have my father. I used to live with my grandparents at that time, in my bachelor's. So it was very difficult for me to move out from home and, pursue my master's. I used to feel a lot of guilt that, maybe I'm doing wrong, or I should stay in Varanasi only. But then I had to convince myself. My parents, they were all ready, but I had to convince myself. So it's been a long journey. A lot of confusions came. Everything was a confusion at one point. But today I really, really, really feel grateful. So this video is not to, just like to tell you motivational things. No, I'm just telling you this because you have a long way to go. You'll feel that you're failing at one point, but then no, even if you fail, just keep on trying, because something is gonna happen which will change your life. अगर मेरे से MPhil नहीं हुआ होता तो मैं अभी भी चाइल्ड के साथ काम कर रही होती और मैं खुश भी होती. बस ये रहता कि MPhil नहीं हुआ, बट मुझे ये पता था कि मुझे अपने लाइफ के साथ करना क्या है. क्योंकि मेरा, और आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल कि मेरा तुरंत MPhil में नहीं हुआ, बिकॉज आई गॉट टू वर्क विद किड्स. सो दैट इज़ समथिंग आई फील रियली ग्रेटफुल फॉर. और जो भी एक गैप आया, मुझे उसके लिए कभी बुरा नहीं लगता है, क्योंकि मुझे टू बी ऑनेस्ट कभी पता ही नहीं चलता कि आज से 5 साल बाद मुझे करना क्या है, किसके साथ, कौन से एज ग्रुप के साथ काम करना है. सो या that's it. Please follow my page, and if you have any questions related to the field, you can ask me here, or you can follow me on Instagram and you can text me there or DM me there as well. Thank you for watching and all the very best. Believe me, it's going to be worth it at the end.